Now, Railway Minister D.V. Sadananda Gowda presented the Narendra Modi government's first rail budget. He announced a slew of passenger-focused measures, but his main emphasis was on reforms. DVS, famous for his smiling countenance, did not smile much today as he accused previous governments for running the railways for political benefit. More than half the projects worth lakhs of crores announced in the last 30 years had not been completed, he said. His new announcements were made every year. However, Bengaluru gave a thumbs up to Sadananda Gowda's maiden budget.
Happy that the government introduced a railway budget and they have done a speed train, and I'm happy because they are doing some development in India. 4,000 women constables, and I think that's crazy. And
so the main thing from my perspective, I could say, so the women's safety is far most important at this point of time. So that is one of the good aspects from his side. Food-wise, definitely, see, if I am from South India, definitely I'll always prefer the South Indian food. So I'll be, more than happy if I get the regional food.
These are good. The first thing, as I said, safety is the foremost thing. The second thing is your infrastructure. So if they have addressed safety from women's safety perspective, that is good. Second thing, they have also addressed infrastructure when you are saying that they have improved the speed of the train.
I think the budget did pretty well, and this government is doing pretty well for the common people. Things like regional foods and fast train for Mysore is very good for the people who can stay over there and come for an office over here in Bangalore. That will be good for.
Good thing about this budget is we need not stand in a queue for the platform tickets and all. It's a good thing that we are getting online platform tickets.
I think it's a good budget. The introducing train from fast train from Mysore to Bangalore and from Bangalore to Chennai. It's a good thing, and we are expecting more from the new government. So we hope that they will do better in the next budget.
Yeah, as far as adding new trains from Bangalore to Mysore or Bangalore to Chennai is quite good, because reaching 1 hour, because the people who travel up and down just for work in Bangalore, they stay somewhere in Mysore or Kola or some places around. So I think that'll be helpful for people like that. And as far as adding more women constables, I think that's a good move as well. Yeah, I think there was no direct train to places like Ullal, Amnath. I think that'll be a good move, will be helpful. So I think it's overall a good budget.
So it's good about the platform ticket. We can get it online. That's the first one liked it. And Chennai being in Madrasi, Chennai faster is good for me.
Yeah, the safety is first, and it's really a good thing to have more constables and more secure people. But how far they are implementing, it's not they are announcing budget. How far they implement those stuff, that's make matter.
I thought Mysore is my native as well. So if they're saying 40 minutes, right, it's very good. And I have some investments there, so hopefully it will pick up.
Chennai to here, right? Every weekend you can go there, come back. You can spend with parents or everything. That is one thing I think is great.
Connecting all the suburbs with bullet train, this will increase the or help the industrialization better.
I think the introduction of women constables was a good move, because right now the security across the nation is like a concern. So I think that's a good part of it. And I think this is a new venture which is unlike the other budgets where there were no new ventures introduced to the public like this out in the open. At least this is something that I'm hearing about. So I think it's a good move into the future.